So that's what this specifically was.
Just for charcoal. From the mine.
There's a lot more stuff here if you guys want to pause and read. This is quite a pretty place and an amazing history. The train, not too far off. Does it show us? We are here. And I don't know where the train Indigo Tunnel is, but it's not that far. So this was like a whole community nestled in between two mountainous regions in the valley, all around Lake Hope. It changed all of Ohio. Not just haunted history, real American history. Does it make you more proud to be from Ohio?
Kind of.